Hisense Tower Portable Air Conditioner. Installation. The Hisense Tower Portable Air Conditioner is designed to provide powerful cooling with longer and wider air coverage. Its simplified installation process makes it easy for anyone to set up in just a few steps. Please read and follow the instructions in the owner's manual before you attempt to install, operate, maintain, or troubleshoot your home appliance. It is recommended to always place your portable air conditioner on a flat and level surface for optimal performance. Caution: the portable air conditioner is heavy. Have someone assist you with your home appliance to help prevent personal injury or product damage. Measure the install location before placing the Tower Portable Air Conditioner to ensure a proper fit. The window kit is compatible with vertical or horizontal sliding windows, 19 to 50 inches wide. Unbox the Tower Portable Air Conditioner and remove all packaging materials. Remove the Tower Portable Air Conditioner from the foam base and place it on a flat and level surface near the install location. Inside the box, you will find the following components. Take a moment to see what tools are needed for installation. Attach an extension panel to the vent panel. Insert the locking knob into the extension panel and slide it onto the vent panel. Install the vent panel, including extension panel, into the window opening. Add an extension panel if needed for proper fit. Insert the locking knob into the extension panel and slide it onto the vent panel. If needed, add an extension panel and repeat the previous step. Install the vent panel, including any extension panels, into the window opening. Adjust to fit and twist the locking knob to secure. Cut and tape the foam on the window frame to seal the gap. Once installed, close the window. Install the optional window lock for added security. Cut the foam seal to fit the window sash and frame. The vent hoses are pre-installed on the back of the unit. Pull the hose and connect it to the window vent panel, and ensure the clips are snapped in place. For better performance and enhanced stability, it is important to install the mounting plates. Simply attach the 4 mounting plates on the bottom of the unit. You are now ready to use your new Hisense Tower Portable Air Conditioner.